To Tunisia, where many businesses are now allowed to resume operations as the number of the coronavirus cases goes down in the country. The country's lockdown, as part of measures to stem the spread of the virus, largely affected businesses, but hopes are still high that normal activities will help the regeneration's process. Health officials have warned against complacency in dealing with the measures. Here is more details of that.
Rafiqa owns a shoes and bags shop in downtown Tunis. She's happy to reopen her business after losing what she says is over 40% of her annual revenue in just 8 weeks. The manager and her employees have respected the strict sanitary measures put in place by the state.
We've been through difficult times that we need to overcome. We're using face masks and hand sanitizers in the boutique. We don't accept any client who does not comply with the safety measures.
I am lucky because my manager paid my salary for the last 2 months, but I know many people who did not make a living during the whole lockdown period.
The number of shoppers has been limited. Many people still fear infection despite the decline in the number of new coronavirus cases in the country.
I've come on the first day of the easing of restrictions on shops to buy new clothes and shoes for my kids. I want to avoid congestion and any physical contact with other shoppers.
Muhammad is a 39-year-old barber. He had to pay his rent and bills during the lockdown, even as his shop remained closed.
The state had promised to give us financial assistance while we were unemployed. It's an empty promise, though I'm glad to reopen my shop and to see my clients. I have to rely on myself because the state has other priorities.
Over 500,000 people have been allowed to resume either partial or normal activity from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the second week of the targeted healthy confinement. According to the COVID-19 task force, Tunisians working in the deconfined sectors must comply with the safety measures as defined by the Institute of Health and Safety, which imposes wearing face masks, social distancing, and using hand sanitizers throughout the day.